Students, in previous video we will discuss CET questions, that is limits and continuity. So today I am going to deal with continuation of limit topic. Okay, in yesterday we will discuss up to 10 questions. Now today we have discussing question number 11 onwards. Okay, based on limits. Now look here. So 11th question, the limit of sine of limit of n into sine of 2 pi by 3n into cos of 2 pi by 3n as n tends to infinity is equal to 4 options: pi by 6, 2 pi by 3, 1 and pi by 3. That question was asked CET 2010. Okay. Now look here, how to solve. Now here limit n tends to infinity, n into sine of 2 pi by 3n, okay, into cos of 2 pi by 3n as n tends to infinity. Put n is equal to infinity, see what happen? It is infinity. Infinity into any number become infinity. That is not finite value. So how to solve? Now here simplify given data, limit n tends to infinity, n as it is. Okay, n as it is. Now put 2 pi by 3n, call it as theta. This is also theta. Now it is in the form sin theta into cos theta. Correct? But sin theta into cos theta using multiple angle, how to write? We can write sin 2 theta divided by 2. Because sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta divided by 2. 2 to cancel, that is sin theta into cos theta. Now here sine of 2 theta, theta value 2 pi by 3n divided by 2. Okay. Then simplify, limit n tends to infinity, n by 2 into sine of 2 into 2 pi, 4 pi by 3n. Again put n is equal to infinity, infinity by 2 is again become infinite. Then further simplify, limit n tends to infinity, n by 2 as it is. Okay. Now sine 4 pi by 3n can be written as, we can write sine 4 pi by 3n divided by same term 4 pi by 3n into 3n by 4 pi. Bari bodala? So to convert given data in the form of standard result for limit like sin theta by theta form, ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin ಮುಂದಗಡೆ ಏನು term ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ term denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ? That value become 1. So ಇದು extra ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ into 3n by 4n, right? So that is 3n divided by 4. 3n cancel. Sorry, that is into 3n divided by 4 pi. 3n divided by 4 pi. 3n cancel, 4 pi cancel. It will become same result, right? Now here that n get cancelled. Okay. Now here that 4 pi goes to numerator, that is 4 pi by 3 into 2. That 4 pi goes to numerator, 4 pi by 3 into 2, that is constant. Limit n tends to infinity, sin 4 pi by 3n divided by 4 pi by 3n. That is equal to 2 1s are 2 2s are, that is 2 pi by 3. Clearly it is in the form sin theta by theta as theta tends to 0. As n tends to infinity means put n is equal to infinity. N value infinity haki, 3 into infinity infinity. Any number divided by infinity, 4 by infinity becomes 0. So that value tends to 0. So its value is 1. That equals 2 pi by 3. Option idena? So that is option is B. Second option. Okay. Whereas problem number 12. 12th problem. Evaluate limit of log of 1 plus x to the base e, log of 1 plus x to the base e divided by 3 power x minus 1 as x tends to 0 is equal to option A, log 3 to the base e, option B, 0, option C log e to the base 3, then option D is 1. Okay, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Now let's verify. Put theta is equal x equal to 0, what happen? 1 plus x value 0, 1 plus 0 1, log 1 value 0 divided by x value 0, 3 power 0 1, 1 minus 1 0. It is in the form 0 by 0, indeterminate form. So simplify. How to solve? Shortcut method. What can you do? Apply L'Hospital rule. Name of scientist. So what is the statement of L'Hospital rule? Differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Don't use quotient rule. Quotient rule apply ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. Numerator ಮತ್ತು denominator separate ಆಗಿ differentiate ಮಾಡಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? What is derivative of log 1 by 1 plus x? Correct? Divided by derivative of 3 power x into log 3 to the base e minus derivative of one constant 0. Right? Put x equal to 0. 1 by 1 plus 0 divided by 3 power 0 into log 3. So that is 1 plus 0 1. 1 by 1 is 1 divided by 3 power 0 1. 1 into log 3. Log 3. 1 by log 3. That is 1 can be written as, we can write log e. Baribodala divided by log 3. Log e value is 1. So log e divided by log 3, laws of logarithm, we can write log e to the base 3. Change of base, log n to the base a is equal to log n divided by log a. Like that, log e to the base e is nothing but log e divided by log 3. So the answer is log e to the base a. Is there? So option C. That is third option. Okay. That question was asked 2013 CET. Okay students. So next question, that is problem number 13. Thirteenth problem. Evaluate limit of 1 minus cos x divided by x square as x tends to 0. 2015 CET. Check it. Put x equal to 0. Now here 4 options. Option A 1 by 2. Option B 2. Option C 1 by 3. Option D is 3. Okay. Now put x equal to 0. What happened? 1 minus cos 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 0 divided by 0, it is in the form indeterminate. So simplify. Shortcut method. How to solve? Differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Derivative of one constant 0 minus derivative of cos x is minus sin x, minus into minus plus sin x divided by derivative of x square is 2x. Right? So 2 constant take outside. Limit x tends to 0. Sin x divided by x. Correct? So that is 1 by 2. Clearly it is in the form standard result. Sin x by x as x tends 0 value 1. That is 1 by 2. Option A. First option is right answer. Okay. Whereas problem number 14. Limit of x tends to 0. X e power x minus sin x divided by x is equal to, first option 1, option B 2, option 3, option D 0. Which one is right answer? So that is 2016. Check it. Put x equal to 0. See what happened? It is in the form 0 by 0. It is indeterminate. So how to solve? Shortcut method. Differentiate numerator and denominator separately. ಎರಡನ್ನು separate ಆಗಿ differentiate ಮಾಡಿ. Here x e power x. Here product of two functions. Apply product rule. First function as it is. Derivative of e power x is e power x itself. Plus second function as it is e power x into derivative of x is 1. Minus derivative of sin x is cos x. Divided by derivative of x is 1. Correct? Then put x equal to 0. X value 0 hack nodi. 0 into any number 0. Plus e power 0 minus cos 0. Right? So that is e power 0 is 1 minus cos 0 value 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Option D. Fourth answer is right answer. Okay. Whereas problem number 15. 15th problem. Evaluate limit of 1 minus cos 4 theta divided by 1 minus cos 6 theta as theta tends to 0 is equal to option A, first option 9 by 4, option B 3 by 4, option C 4 by 9, option D 9 by 3. Which one is the right answer? Check it. Now put theta is equal to 0, see what happened. Is it finite value or infinite or indeterminate? Check it. Put theta is equal to 0. 4 into 0, 0. Cos 0 is 1. Okay. Then 1 minus 1, 0 divided by 1 minus 1, 0. It is in the form 0 by 0. Right. So simplify. So how to solve? By using L'Hospital rule, differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Derivative of one constant 0 minus derivative of cos minus sine, minus into minus plus sine 4 theta into derivative of 4 theta is 4 divided by derivative of 1 0 minus derivative of cos minus sine, minus into minus plus sine 6 theta into 6. Right? So 4 by 6 constant take outside, limit theta tends to 0, sine 4 theta divided by sine 6 theta. Now again check it, put theta value 0, 4 into 0, 0, divide by sine 6 into 0, 0, sine 0 is 0, again it is in the form indeterminate. Again once again what can you do? Once again apply L'Hospital rule. Differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Derivative of sine 4 theta is cos 4 theta into 4, right? Divided by here cos 6 theta into 4. Okay. Now again 4 and 6 constant take outside, 4 into 4 16, 6 into 6 36. Limit theta tends to 0, cos 4 theta divided by cos 6 theta. Now that is equal to 4 4s are 4 9s are, that is 4 by 9, 4 by 9, put theta value 0, 4 into 0, 0, cos 0, 1, 6 into 0, theta value 0, cos 0, 1. So that is 4 by 9. Option C option. Third answer is right answer. This is one method. Another method, remember, if it is in the form of, in general, if limit of cos m theta 1 minus cos m theta by 1 minus cos n theta as n theta tends to 0. In general, m and n are numbers. If it is in the form of like this, its answer is, remember, m square divided by n square. ಇಷ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ ನೀವು. ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಲಿಮಿಟಿಂಗ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ಎಮ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬೈ ಎನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಮ್ ತೀಟಾ ಬೈ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎನ್ ತೀಟಾ. ಎಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 4, 4 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಎನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 6, 6 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, 4 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 16, 6 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 36, 4 4s 4 9s. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಎಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎನ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಎಮ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬೈ ಎನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಎಮ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬೈ ಎನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 15 or that is problem number 15. That question was asked 2017. Sixteenth problem. Limit of log of 3 plus x to the base e minus log of 3 minus x to the base e divided by x as x tends to 0 is equal to k, then k is equal to, then the value of k is equal to option A minus 2 by 3, option B 0, option C minus 1 by 3, option D 2 by 3. That question was asked JEE 2003. Check it. Put x equal to 0. See what happened? 3 plus 0. 3. Log 3 minus log 3. 0. Divided by x value. 0. It is in the form 0 by 0. Indeterminate. So what can you do? Apply L'Hospital rule. Name of scientist. How to solve? Differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Don't use quotient rule. Now derivative of log of 3 plus x. 1 by 3 plus x into another friend. Derivative of 3 constant 0. Derivative of x is 1. Okay. Minus derivative of log 1 by 3 minus x into another friend. Derivative of 3 constant 0. Minus derivative of x is 1. Divided by derivative of x is 1. Right? Now put x equal to 0. 1 by 3 plus 0. Minus into minus plus 1 by 3 minus 0. That equals 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. How much? That is 2 by 3. So its value is 2 by 3. Hagadre k value eshtayitu? 2 by 3. Option yaudu? D option. Option D is the right answer. Okay. Then problem number 17. Limit of 1 minus cos 2x into 3 plus cos x divided by x tan 4x as x tends to 0 is equal to option A 4, option B 3, option D C 2, option D 1 by 2. That question was asked JEE 2015. Now check it. Put x equal to 0. See what happened. X equal to 0 substitute ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. 2 into 0 0 ತಾನೆ. Cos 0 1. 1 minus 1 0. 0 into any number becomes 0. Divided by x value 0. It is in the form indeterminate 0 by 0. So what can you do? Go on, simplify, reduce the function till you get finite value. That is the definition of limit. Okay. So there are two methods. First method is by using L'Hospital rule. What is L'Hospital rule? Differentiate numerator and denominator separately. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅದು, ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಎನಿದರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್, ಯೂಸುವಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಹೌ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್? ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ 2x ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ 2 sin square x ಇದೆ ತಾನೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, into 3 plus cos x as it is divided by x. Tan 4x can be written as tan 4x by 4x into 4x. ಬರೀಬೋದಲ್ಲ, 4x extra ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? So simplify, rearrange. Now here 2 1s are 2 2s are. That 2 constant take outside, 1 by 2 into bracket sin square x divided by x into x, x square, this is one term, into 3 plus cos x divided by tan 4x by 4x. ಬರೀಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಥರ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Then apply laws of limit as limit x tends to 0. Okay. Then further simplify 1 by 2. Split up the limit. Limit x tends to 0. Sin square x by x square is same as sin x by x to the power of 2 into limit of 3 plus cos x divided by tan 4x by 4x as x tends to 0. Then simplify. So that is 1 by 2. Okay. Now here sin x by x as x tends to 0. Standard result 1 into, in the numerator put x equal to 0, 3 plus cos 0 divided by, in the denominator corollary part, limit of tan theta by theta form. As you know that tan theta by theta as theta tends to 0, its value is 1 tani, correct? So that is 1 by 2 into 1 into 3 plus cos 0 1, 1 into 3, 4 by 1. 2 ones are 2 twos are 1 into 2, 2. So option yavudu hagadre 2 andre option C is the right answer. So 17th question JW question option C, that is 2 mark. Okay, whereas problem number 18. Eighteenth problem, the value of limit of cot x minus cos x divided by pi minus 2x to the power of 3 as x tends to pi by 2 is equal to option A 1 by 4, option B 1 by 24, option C 1 by 16, option D 1 by 8. JEE 2017. ನೋಡಿ, put x equal to pi by 2 ಹಾಕಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, pi by 2 means 90 degree, cot 90 degree, tan 90 infinity, cot 90 is 0, cos 90 is 0, 0 minus 0 0 divided by pi minus 2, x value pi by 2, 2 2 cancel, that is pi, pi minus pi 0, it is in the form indeterminate 0 by 0. So what can you do? Apply L Hospital rule, differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Yes, derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x minus derivative of cos x is minus sin x minus into minus plus sin x divided by derivative of pi minus 2x whole power 3. ಈ pi minus 2x capital X ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, it is in the form x power 3. Derivative of x power 3 is 3 into capital X. Capital X ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? Pi minus 2x to the power of 2 into another friend, derivative of pi constant 0 minus derivative of 2x is 2. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಈಗ again x equal to 90 degree ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡಿ, is it finite or infinite ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Put x equal to 90 degree, cosec 90, sin 91, cosec 90 is also 1, minus 1 plus 1, 0 divided by, put x value 90 degree, pi minus pi 0, again it is in the form 0 by 0 indeterminate. What can you do once again? Differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Now that is again apply L Hospital rule, limit x tends to pi by 2 minus differentiation of cosec square x is 2 cosec x into derivative of cosec is minus cosec x into cot x, correct? Plus derivative of sin x is cos x divided by 3 into minus 2 minus 6 constant as it is. Again derivative of pi minus 2x to the power of 2. 2 of pi minus 2x into derivative of 2x is minus 2. Again put x equal to 90 degree, what happened? Cosec 91, that is minus 2. Cosec 91, cot 90 is 0. Complete, this is 0. Cos 90 is 0. Again 0 plus 0, 0 divided by x value 90 degree. Pi minus 2 into pi by 2. 2 to cancel. Pi minus pi. Again, it is in the form indeterminate. Once again, apply L Hospital rule. Once again, differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Minus into minus plus 2. Cosec into cosec, cosec square x into cot x plus cos x divided by minus into minus plus 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24 into pi minus 2x. Now again it is in the form indeterminate 0 by 0. So what can you do? Apply L Hospital rule, differentiate numerator and denominator separately. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, product of two functions ಇದೆ, 2 cosec square x first function as it is into derivative of second function, derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x plus second function as it is cot x into derivative of first function, derivative of 2 cosec square, 2 into 2 4 cosec x into derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x, correct? Plus derivative of cos x is minus sin x divided by 24 constant term as it is, derivative of pi constant 0 minus derivative of 2x is 2. Now put x equal to 90 degree. ಈಗ 90 degree substitute ಮಾಡಿ. Cosec 90 degree 1. Cosec 90 degree is 1. Minus 1 square is plus 1. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 2, 2 ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು? 2. Plus cot 90 degree. Cot 90 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Tan 90 infinity. Cot 90 is 0. This is complete. This part becomes 0. ಹೌದ್ರಿ? This is 0. Minus sin 90 is 1. Divided by 2 into minus 2 minus 48. Correct? ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. Put x equal to 90 degree. Cosec 90. 1, that is minus 1 square is 1. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 2, 2. Plus cot x. Cot 90 degree 0. This becomes 0. Correct? Minus sin 90 degree is minus 1 divided by 2 into minus 2 minus 14, right? Now that is 2 minus 1, 1 by minus 48. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದವ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನೋಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 1 by 4, 1 by 24, then 1 by, yes, here this is minus sign, that is minus cosec 90 degree 1, 1 square 1, 1 into 2, 2, that minus sign as it is, minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3 by minus 48, that is 3 ones are 3 16s are 1 by 16. So option C, third option is right answer. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 2 times ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಫೈನೈಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರೋವರೆಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 18. ದೆನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 19. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus n divided by n cube as n tends to infinity is equal to option A 0, option B 1, option C 1 by 2, option D 1 by 4. NCERT exemplar problem. So that is NCERT question. Now put n is equal to infinity. It is in the form indeterminate infinity by infinity, right? Now simplify. Limit n tends to infinity. As you know that in the numerator 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on plus n using mathematical induction, this is nothing but sigma n, correct? Sigma n formula ಏನು? n into n plus 1 divided by 2. ಇದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Sigma n, that is summation of series using mathematical induction, sum to n terms of series given by the formula n into n plus 1 by 2 divided by n cube. Right? Then simplify. Limit n tends to infinity. That 1 goes to numerator, that n cube goes to denominator, n into n plus 1 divided by 2n cube. Right? That is limit n tends to infinity. N as it is here. N into n plus 1 by 2 divided by n cube. N cube is sorry, n square divided by n square, not n cube. This is n square, that is n square. So here n as it is among these two, n plus 1 ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ n ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೀರಿ. n ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 1 plus 1 by n, right? Divided by 2n square. n into n, n square. n into n, n square. That n square cancel. Put n is equal to infinity. n value infinity ಹಾಕಿ 1 plus 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity value 0 divided by 2. That is 1 by 2. Option is there? Yes. Option C. Third option is the right answer. Exemplar problem. Okay. Then problem number 20th problem. Twentieth problem, again NCERT question, exemplar problem. Evaluate limit of 1 minus sin x divided by cos x as x tends to pi by 2. Very simple problem. Is equal to option A 0, option B is minus 1, option C 1, option D none of these. None of these. NCERT exemplar problem. Now check it. Put x is equal to pi by 2. Put x equal to 90 degree. 90 degree substitute madre enagutte sin 90 1. 1 minus 1 0 divided by cos 90 0. It is in the form indeterminate 0 by 0. What can you do? Simple method, shortcut method, tricks. Differentiation of 1 0 minus derivative of sin x is cos x divided by derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Correct? That minus minus cancel. Put x equal to pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 divided by sin pi by 2. But cos 90 degree 0 divided by sin 90 degree is sin 90 value how much? 1. 0 by 1, that is 0. Option A. First option. Okay. Whereas problem number 21, that is again NCERT problem. Evaluate limit of sin x divided by x minus pi as x tends to pi. Yes, check it. E is equal to 4 options. Option A 1, option B 2, option C is 1, option D is minus 2. Check it. Put x equal to pi. Pi means 180. Sin 180 0. Howdalri? By x value pi. Pi minus pi 0. It is in the form indeterminate 0 by 0. So what can you do? Apply L Hospital rule. Neeve solve ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Simple ಇದೆ. Differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Derivative of sin x, cos x. Correct? Divided by derivative of x 1 minus pi, derivative of pi another number tane 180 it is number constant 0. So put x equal to pi, cos pi means 180, cos 180 degree minus 1 is there. Yes, option C is the right answer. Okay. Then problem number 22. Limit of secant square x minus 2 divided by tan x minus 1 as x tends to pi by 4 is equal to option A 3, option B 1, option C 0, option D 2. Exemplar problem. Now put x equal to 45 degree. See what happened? Is it finite value? Is it infinite? Is it indeterminate? Clearly it is indeterminate. 0 by 0. Then what can you do? Apply L Hospital rule. Limit x tends to pi by 4. Differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Derivative of secant square x is 2 sec x into derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x. Correct? Minus derivative of 2 constant 0 divided by derivative of tan x is secant square x minus derivative of 1 0. Right. Now here sec x into sec x, sec square x. That sec square x cancel. Sec square x minus 0 is nothing but sec square x. That sec square x cancel. That is equal to 2. Put x equal to 45 degree. Tan pi by 4. That is 2. For tan 45 degree value 1. 1 into 2, 2. So option D is the right answer. So 22nd option D. Okay. Then next question. Question number 23. NCERT exemplar. Limit of cosec x minus cot x divided by x as x tends to 0 is equal to option A minus 1 by 2, option B 1, option C 1 by 2, option D 1. Put x equal to 0, what happen? Cosec 0, sin 0 0, cosec 0. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 by sin, that is infinity minus infinity, infinity minus infinity. So it is in the form indeterminate. So simplify, apply L'Hospital rule. ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Derivative of cosec x, you know, minus cosec x into cot x minus derivative of cot x, yes, minus cosec square x, minus into minus plus cosec square x divided by derivative of x is 1. Correct? Put x equal to 0, again infinity, ಮತ್ತೆ infinity ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಹೌದಾ? So reduce it, minus limit x tends to 0, that is limit x tends 0, minus cosec x can be written as 1 by sin x, ಬರಿಬೋದಾ? Cot x is nothing but cos x by sin x, right? Plus cosec square x is equal to 1 by sin square x. Okay, so limit x tends to 0, take the LCM, LCM of these two is sin square x tani. Okay, 1 plus into minus, minus cos x. Now put x equal to 0, what happen? 1 minus cos 0 1, 1 minus 1 0, sin 0 0, again it is in the form indeterminate. So again apply L'Hospital rule, limit x tends to 0, derivative of one constant 0, minus derivative of cos x minus sin x, minus into minus plus sin x, divided by derivative of sin square x is 2 sin x into cos x. Correct? Composite function, derivative of sin square is 2 sin x into cos x. 1 sin x get cancelled, put x equal to 0, 1 divided by 2 cos x value 0, that is 1 by 2, cos 0 is 1, that is 1 by 2. So option ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ? Option C. Third option is the right answer. Okay, then problem number 24. Problem. Evaluate limit of sin x divided by root x plus 1 minus root 1 minus x as x tends to 0. NCERT exemplar, option A 2, option B 0, option C 1, option D minus 1. So check it, put x equal to 0, sin 0 is 0 by root x value 0 plus 1, 1, 1 minus x value 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. It is in the form 0 by 0. What can you do? Differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Derivative of sin x, cos x divided by derivative of root 1 by 2 root x plus 1 into another friend, derivative of x plus 1, derivative of x1 plus derivative of 1 is 0, minus derivative of root 1 by 2 root 1 minus x into derivative of 1 constant 0 minus derivative of x is 1. Correct? Put x equal to 0 ಹಾಕಿ, cos 0 by 2 root 0 plus 1 minus into minus plus, that is 1 by 2 root 0 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 root 1 minus 0. Then further simplify. Cos 0 1 divided by 1 by 2, 0 plus 1 1, root 1 is 1, plus 1 by 2, root 1 is 1, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 1, 1 by 1 is 1. So option yavudu hagadre? Option C is the right answer. Okay, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಲ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ರೂಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 25th. problem. Limit of mod sin x divided by x as x tends to 0 is equal to option A 1, option B 1, option B, that is 0, option C non-existent, option D none of these. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವುದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ? put x equal to 0, sin 0 0, 0 by 0, it is indeterminate. So limit x tends to 0, mod sin x divided by x is equal to limit x tends to 0. Here modulus notation, you know the definition of modulus. Mod x is equal to plus x if x is more than 0. If it is minus x, x is less than 0. Right? Now first you take positive value. Suppose if x is more than 0, mod sin x is sin x divided by x. If sin x is more than 0. But limit of sin x by x as x tends to 0 is 1. This is one option. Another option, this is LHL, left hand limit. Then to find right hand limit, limit x tends to 0. This is right hand limit, this is left hand limit. Mod sin x divided by x. So limit x tends to 0. Left hand limit means less than. Modulus of sin x is, if it is less than 0, minus sin x divided by x. But sin x by x as x tends to 0. Here minus sin as it is, this is 1. LHL 1, RHL minus 1. Is it LHL is equal to RHL? No. Now here clearly left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. Therefore limit does not exist. Limit does not exist. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ? Is it 1? No. Is it 0? ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ modulus ಇದೆ. There are two cases. Mod x is equal to x if x is positive. Mod x equal to minus x if x is negative. That is the definition of modulus. So ಇದು ಒಂದು 1 ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು minus 1 ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So that is does not exist. Option C, non-existent, does not exist. Okay. Then problem number 26, that is 26th problem. Limit of, again exemplar problem, NCERT problem, tan 2x minus x divided by 3x minus sin x as x tends to 0 is equal to option A 2, option B 1 by 2, option C minus 1 by 2, option D 1 by 4. Put x equal to 0, what happened? It is in the form indeterminate 0 by 0, correct? Then what can you do? Differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Derivative of tan 2x, secant square 2x into derivative of 2x is 2, minus derivative of x is 1, divided by derivative of 3x is 3, minus derivative of sin x is cos x. Put x equal to 0, x value 0 ಹಾಕಿಬಿಡಿ. 2 as it is, sec square 2 into 0 0, sec square 0 value 1 ತಾನೆ, minus 1 divided by 3 minus cos x value 0. So 2 minus 1 1 by 3 minus cos 0 1, that is 1 by 3 minus 1 2. So option B is the right answer. Okay. Then question number 27. Let f of x is equal to x square minus 1, 0 less than x less than 2, 2x plus 3, 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. The quadratic equation whose roots are limit of f of x as x tends to 2 minus and limit of f of x as x tends to 2 plus is option A, x square minus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. Option B, x square minus 7x plus 8 is equal to 0. Option C, x square minus 14x plus 49 is equal to 0. Option D, x square minus 10x plus 21 is equal to 0. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ, ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Then to find the quadratic equation such that then two roots are given. ಆ roots ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ, limit of f of x as x tends to 2 minus, that is LHL, and limit of f of x as x tends to 2 plus. First to find left hand limit and right hand limit. That left hand limit and right hand limit are the roots of the quadratic equation. Roots ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಮೊದಲು to find out the roots. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, first to find LHL. So first root ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, limit of f of x as x tends to 2 minus, that is limit x tends to 2 minus. 2 minus means select the function f of x such that x is less than 2. ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ತಾನೆ x is less than 2, corresponding value x square minus 1. ಹೌದಾ, put x equal to 2 ಹಾಕಿ, 2 square minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3. This is one root, call it as alpha. Next, limit of f of x as x tends to 2 plus. Limit x tends to 2 plus. 2 plus means select the function f of x such that x is more than 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ತಾನೆ, 2 less than x is nothing but x is more than 2. Corresponding value 2x plus 3. Put x is equal to 2. 2 into 2 plus 3. 4 plus 3, 7. Call it as beta. We got two roots. ಎರಡು ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕು. ಈ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಯು ನೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿ ಲರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್, if roots are given, write the quadratic equation. So therefore, do you remember, hence quadratic equation such that two roots are alpha and beta, then quadratic equation is x square minus sum of roots, remember that formula, into x plus product of roots. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಎರಡು ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್, ಟು ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಫಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬೀಟಾ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಅಲ್ಫಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬೀಟಾ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಫಾ ಇಂಟು ಬೀಟಾ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಫಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬೀಟಾ, ಅಲ್ಫಾ 3, beta 7, 3 plus 7, 10 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ alpha into beta, 3 into 7, 21 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. X square minus 10x plus 21 is equal to 0. Is there? Yes. Option D. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ರೂಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು ನಮಗೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನೀವು 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ದಲ್ಲಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ plus product of roots is equal to 0. So option D is the right answer. Okay. Then question number 28. 28th question. Let f from R to R, real number to real number, defined by f of x is equal to 2x if x is more than 3, x square if 1 less than x less than or equal to 3, 3x if x is less than or equal to 1, then the value of f of minus 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 4 is equal to option A 9, option B 14, option C 5, option D 10. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಒನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಒನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಒನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಪುಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಒನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಗಿ, ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 3? ನೋ, ಇದು ಈ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪುಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಒನ್, ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ 1 ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಒನ್? 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಒನ್ಗಿಂತ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಿದೆನಾ? ನೋ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಪುಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಒನ್, minus 1 less than 1? Yes, obviously true. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ corresponding value ಯಾವುದು? 3x. 3 into x value 1, that is minus 3. So f of minus 1 value ಯಾವುದು? 3, minus 3. Next ಯಾವುದು? f of 2. 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡಿ, is it 2 more than 3? No, leave it. 1 less than x value 2. Is it 1 less than 2? 1 2ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆನಾ? 1 is less than 2? Yes. 2 is less than 3? Yes. So ಹಾಗಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? x square, that is x value 2 power 2, that is 4. Next f of 4, put x equal to 4. ಇದು ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, is it 4 more than 3? 4 3ಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾ? Yes. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ? 2x, that is 2 into x value 4, that is 8. We got all values. Therefore f of minus 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 4 is equal to f of minus 1 minus 3, f of 2 4, f of 3 is 8. How much? Minus 3 plus 4 1, 1 plus 8 9. Idena? Option A. Option A is the right answer. Okay. Then 29th problem, Comet K 2010. If f of 9 is equal to 9, f dash 9 is equal to 4, then limit of root f of x minus 3 divided by root x minus 3 as x tends to 9 is equal to option A 9, option B 3, option C 4, option D 7. Here put x equal to 9, see what happen, root f of 9, but f of 9 value 9 andre root 9 aatu, root 9 value 3, 3 minus 3 0 tane, divided by root x value 9, root 9 3, 3 minus 3 0. It is in the form indeterminate. So what can you do? Apply L'Hospital rule, differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Derivative of root 1 by 2 root f of x into derivative of f of x is f dash x minus derivative of 3 constant 0 divided by derivative of root 1 by 2 root x minus 0. Then put x equal to 9. 1 by 2 root f of 9, okay, into f dash 9 divided by 1 by 2 root 9. Simplify. 1 by 2 root f of 9 is 9, f dash 9 is 4, divided by 1 by 2 root 9. Correct? So 1 by 2 root 9, 1 by 2 root 9 get cancelled. That is 4. Is there? Yes. Option C is the right answer. So Comet K 2010. Okay. Then one more problem based on limit, that is problem number 30th. 30th problem. NCERT exemplar, limit of sin x degree divided by x as x tends to 0 is equal to option A 1, option B pi, option C pi by 180, option D 180 divided by pi. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು sin x by x ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, sin x ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇದೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Now here we know that 180 degree is equal to pi radian ತಾನೆ, ಹೌದಾ? Therefore 1 degree is equal to pi divided by 180 degree. 2 degree is equal to 2 into pi by 180. 3 degree is equal to 3 into pi by 180. Therefore x degree is equal to pi into x divided by 180. Correct? Therefore limit of sin x degree can be written as pi x by 180 divided by x as x tends to 0. Right? Put x equal to 0. Sin 0 is 1. Sorry, sin 0 is 0 divided by 0. It is in the form indeterminate 0 by 0. Correct? Then how to solve? Apply L'Hospital rule. Differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Now here composite function, derivative of sin cos of pi x by 180 into another friend, derivative of pi x by 180 is pi by 180 constant, derivative of x is 1, right? Divided by derivative of x is 1 is equal to, put x equal to 0, cos pi into 0, 0, 0 by 180 is 0 into pi by 180, right? But cos 0 degree is 1 into pi by 180, that is equal to pi divided by 180 degree. So option C, third option is the right answer. So these problems belongs to under limit problems. Next question number 31 onwards, that is we will discuss continuous problem. Continuity ಮೇಲೆ solve ಮಾಡೋಣ. Up to 30th question limit problems. Go through this, ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. These are all important problems and those problems already asked in previous several years. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸು ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ NCERT exemplar problem. Okay, next question number 31 onwards, that is based on continuity problems. Okay, now we will discuss in next class, that is question number 31 onwards. Okay, next class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, continuity problems ಮೇಲೆ, continuity topic ಮೇಲೆ problems ಅನ್ನು solve ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, thank you students.